You have to admit it. This is one of the most beautiful plants you've ever seen. Now, I didn't say the most beautiful. I said one of the beautiful plants you've ever seen. This is my hibiscus, and this variety is Holy Grail. And just take a look at the blooms. They are the size of my hand. They are gorgeous. Now, what I love about this particular variety is the deep red blood blooms and the dark foliage. I think they just complement each other so perfectly. The trick to get these beautiful blooms is to have this shrub in full sun. This plant gets at least 6 hours of full sun in my front yard. Now, if you have a shaded area, it's not going to do as well. It really needs to have that sunny spot to get all these blooms to bloom. And what I also like is that it gives you several blooms throughout the season. So when one bloom falls off, another one is ready to go. And you can see the clumps right here. Sometimes they have 6 to 7 clumps on one branch. This plant continues to give you a show all summer long, even into the fall. And if you're planning on growing this particular variety, you're going to need a lot of space. This is not for a small garden, unfortunately. You can keep it in pots, but realize the fact that if you do keep it in a pot, it's going to give you less blooms. You're going to need a big enough space to keep this beautiful flower happy. Most of the blooms last for a day or two. See, it just fell off right there. And sometimes you just have to touch it and it just falls off. But you know what? I don't worry about it because these 2 blooms will eventually open up maybe in the next couple of days. But with this plant, do expect a lot of cleanup because you're going to have to be cleaning up all the time. You can see right here, there's 3 of them that just recently fell off. So this does have a lot of cleanup, but you know what? It's worth the cleanup to get something this beautiful. I always just toss the spent blooms in the garbage. If anybody knows what to do with these spent blooms, or if you can reseed them, let me know, because I would love to grow something like this for free. You want to watch for signs that it's not getting enough water. Something this small like this, you see right here, it compared to this, which is green, and this is starting to be a little yellow. That means that it's water deficient. So if you see any yellowing buds, you want to give it more water. So that's exactly what I'm going to do right after this video. I'm going to drench this hibiscus because it's thirsty and it needs a drink. Hibiscus come in all different types of colors. This is a lavender color, and this is my Rose of Shannon. This is in a tree form, and you can see it doesn't have as many blooms because all these trees are blocking it. So I'm gonna have to eventually get rid of all these trees, but that's gonna be really, really expensive just to get this flower to bloom. It does what it needs to do. It blooms, but if I got rid of the trees, it would have this spectacular color of just lavender, but I don't have the money to spend on all the trees. But I enjoy what I can get out of this beautiful Rose of Shannon tree. The Rose of Shannon hibiscus blooms are not as big as the hibiscus that I just showed you, but it comes in more colors. It comes in pink, white, red, lavender, purple, where the bigger varieties, you may just see it in red, pink, and maybe white. Once the bloom falls off, it leaves this behind. I don't leave this on. What I do is just pop it off like that. It comes off really easy. And you want to do that anyway, because I think this is just going to form a seed and take off all the energy to making a seed, and take all that energy to make a seed, and it won't go into the bloom. So you really want to just pop this off, because you want all that energy to go into making more blooms and flowers and not into producing seeds. I got this variety from Lowe's. I was searching high and low. This is a summerific variety from Proven Winners, and I really do trust that brand because they give absolutely spectacular quality when it comes to flowers. And if you buy a flower from them, and this is not sponsored, I just have a lot of Proven Winner plants because I trust that brand and I know they care about quality over quantity. But this is a summerific Holy Grail, and you don't see this too many times in the store. You see the pink variety, the ones in white and pink, and I like that one, but I just thought this one was so striking in its dark foliage and blood red blooms. What do you think? Have you seen this variety? What is your favorite hibiscus? Let me know in the comment section what you think. I got this variety from Lowe's. This is the Summerific variety in Holy Grail. And I don't see this one a lot in the big box stores. I see the other ones that are in pink and light pink and bright pink, but I don't see this stunning color. So that is what really got me to want this color and this variety in the first place. Let me know in the comment section what color you love when it comes to these beautiful shrubs. And what I also love about this variety is that when the fall comes and all these beautiful blooms are gone, it gives you another show. We're talking about the leaves. The leaves turn an autumn color. They turn orange, red, and yellow. It is so beautiful. So once all the blooms are gone, the leaves put on a show for the neighbors. So you can't beat that. So now that you're getting this beautiful blooms, now come fall, you get this beautiful burst of autumn colors on the leaves. This is a tag right here. This is an old tag for about 2 years ago, and I was able to save it. It looks like, I think it actually looks like the picture. Obviously, it's not as many blooms, but I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Specs on this is that it grows 48 to 54 inches tall, harding in zones 4 through 9, which is good for us people that live in colder zones. It blooms in midsummer through early fall. So this is a plant you definitely want to get if you need that burst of color. Skip the annuals, get this because it comes back year after year. Oh my God, I think a mosquito is biting me. Okay, sorry. Ow. Okay, so, and yes, and full to part sun. I believe that this needs to be in full sun because if you keep it in part sun, the blooms are not going to bloom as much. This is a plant that really needs at least 6 hours of sun. You can give it 4 hours of sun, but you're not going to get as many blooms to come out. What has worked for me, I've kept it in a nice sunny spot. This spot does get some shade. I wish it was in another spot or maybe closer to my front yard where there's full sun, but this particular spot gets at least 6 hours of sun. I think what I'm going to do to get it to look like this in the picture, I'm going to start fertilizing it. Where the spot is, it's enjoying, but I think I can get more blooms if I start giving some type of slow release fertilizer. But I'm happy with the results because it is giving me lots of love, and it's giving my neighbors lots of love too. You do not understand the amount of people that stop in their tracks and say, wow, that is a spectacular plant. What is that? And I'm like, it's my Holy Grail hibiscus. Lots of people be stopping in their tracks just to chat about this beautiful flower. So it's definitely worth it. I stopped at my Home Depot yesterday and I saw this variety, Very Awesome. Oh my God, isn't that adorable? It reminds me of like a Candyland flower that would grow at a Candyland fantasy flower. It is so cute. So that was at my local Lowe's. It's by Proven Winners. It's called Very Awesome. I just love that pink foliage. It's definitely giving girly girl vibes. So that's it, guys. I'm going to run to my local nursery to see what they have on clearance. I'm going to also have a new video out on what they have in clearance at the big box stores because you know this is the time to go to those clearance aisles at the nursery and especially at the big box stores because they want to get rid of all their inventory when it comes to plants, and that means big bargains for us. So again, guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. Don't forget to hit that sub button. Don't forget to join the family, and don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends. Until next time, guys, keep on growing. Bye-bye.